until I fell asleep. The noxious chance he would care for me, and the news foresaw I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How that love, 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 to dance with my father again. Oh, 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 oh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. It makes